Welcome viewers to a new video. I know this isn't the usual content that I post, but figured I'd make a video out of it. Today we will be changing my oil in my 2011 E92 335i. I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to change your oil. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Also, don't forget to secure the car with some jack stands. Safety first, everyone. For my choice of oil for this oil change, I went with 0W40 Mobile 1 and also a Mobile 1 filter. But for the rest of the install, we're gonna hop over on the GoPro. Welcome back, folks. We are on the GoPro now, so let's get right into it. To let the oil flow out better, we're gonna open up the oil cap, and then we're also gonna take out the filter as well. I already loosened this up, but you're gonna need your oil filter wrench. Make sure you get all that old oil. Let's set this over here for now and continue with our change. For this next part, make sure you grab your oil pan and your 17mm wrench. Now, I don't know how easy this is going to be recording this, but let's find out. Oh, we're going under. You're going to want to do this very carefully. Try to get the least amount of oil on you as possible. Unplane a little bit more to your liking. There she blows. You're gonna want to let that drain for quite some time. Make sure all the drips and drops out. But in the meantime, while that's happening, we can switch over our oil filter. First things first, you want to take off your old ring from your oil pan nut and put on the new one included in the package. After you screwed on your cap, you're going to want to take off the old gaskets and try to not scratch the plastic, but I'm just using a tiny flathead, and then same with this gasket up on top as well. After you get that one off, you're going to want to get your two new gaskets. But before you put them on, you want to touch them up with a little bit of old oil. So we're going to grab a tiny bit of oil, grease her up a little bit, and throw her right back on there. Same with your other gasket. Grab a little bit of oil, lube her up, maybe a little bit too much, and then throw her right back on. I'm going to throw a little bit more on there. Gaskets and filter are inside, you are able to throw this back in the car. Also, you only want this hand tight because the pressure will suction it down over time. Now that your oil filter is in and your drain plug is screwed back on, you're going to want to throw the new oil inside. Make sure you get every last drop. This oil is not cheap nowadays. All that's left to do is put on your cap, and you are good to go. Now that everything is set in stone, what we will do next is jack down the car, get it on a level surface, and then let it run for 3 minutes. Now that you have let the car sit for several minutes, we're gonna come over and check the oil. Go to vehicle status. As you can see, it is at max, and that is how you change your oil on a N55 335i. Now let's go for a little drive and see how it feels. Welcome back, viewers. We have hopped in the Beamer and are going for a quick little drive with the new oil in. But let's give her a little test. There's a road up here, the only road in my town that's curvy, but that is where we're heading right now to get some POV shots. It's the nice little curvy road we got here. Got a little pole going here. Folks, that is it for our spirited drive after a nice slow oil change. I hope you enjoyed today's video, but don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to share as well, but stay tuned for the next video on the channel.